Hey guys, welcome to our channel Anish Arena. Today I am going to teach you Rubik's Cube algorithms and using basic notation. So let's get started. First is R. R, R, R2, R. This is R prime, R prime 2. Now U. U means up. U, U2 and U prime, and U prime 2 and U. Now we'll go to left. L prime means front, L means backwards. Again L prime means front and L means back. And now D means down, D prime means this side. And D means right side. Now middle layer means M, and this is M prime, M and M prime. And lastly F, F and F prime, and B, B prime. So now I am going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First, we'll go to yellow center and find an edge pieces and bring all the edge pieces to the yellow center. First, over here means yellow is over here. So we'll do R and U, B. So another one comes. Still two more slots to be solved. So now over here means R prime. Now here we have to bring this over here, means we can use this method also, otherwise we can use this method, doing directly R prime. Now let us match this. Orange and green are not being matched, so we'll match this. Green to green center. So now it's matching. We'll bring this side, we'll bring it down. Okay. Then again we'll go to next side, which is red. Red is not matching with the blue, so we'll go to the red center cap. Then do again full R2. Then again we'll go here. This blue and orange is not matching. We should make it match. So we have to do U. Then we can bring it up prime 2. Then lastly we have to. It is already matched, so we can bring it directly down. So this makes our plus. Then also it matches with the center caps. So now next step is to solve white full. To solve white full, we need to be having white over here or over here. So we have to keep our white only down. Okay. Now for doing this, the algorithm is keeping this white to your front. The algorithm is U, R, U prime and R prime. Okay. Then now let us go to next edge, next corner. This is this. Now here red and green is here, but we have to match it with the center caps. See, here red is matching with the center cap, and green is not matching with the blue. So we'll bring this corner piece till where green comes. Now green and green are matching and red are matching. If white is on our side, if we keep, then the algorithm is R, U, R prime. Then now we'll go to this corner piece and we have to search for orange and green. Means orange is already matching, green has to be matched. So we'll bring it to the green center cap and again do the same formula, R, U, R prime and U prime. Then now we'll match this corner piece over to the orange and blue. Now we have brought it to blue and orange. So now we have to, if it is over here, then we have to do a different formula, that is u r u prime and r prime. So then again this corner should be matched. We'll bring it to the red center cap and the blue center cap, and again do r u r prime. So our white is solved and everywhere T mark is there. Now we are gonna solve this H piece by if green is over here, we'll bring this. If green is not matching with this, then we'll bring over here. Then we'll match it with. We have to bring it over red to here. So if we do like this, our white gets damaged. So we have to do a formula. Keeping the green on in our front, we have to do U, L prime, and U and L. Then when you are on green side, turn to red side now. Then do U, R, U prime and R prime. So this edge is solved now. So next we'll go to this edge, but we have to find till where the edge piece is matching. So here orange is there and up blue is there. So we have to bring it over here by using again we have to bring this to right. So we'll keeping the orange to our front. We have to do U, R, U prime, R prime. Then now we have to after going to orange center, we have to go to blue center now and do U prime, L prime, U and L. So this H piece also solves. Now lastly we have to solve this H piece. Now we have to match it. If yellow is on over here instead, then we can't bring it over here. So we have now blue is over here, so blue is on our left. When we have to keep red in front of us, then we have to do U prime, then L prime, U and L. Then we have to go to blue side and do U, R, U prime and R prime. So our second layer gets solved. Now we have to go to last layer. Now last layer we'll run into this problem. We have to do F, R, U, R prime, U prime and F prime. But the yellow plus has been not done yet. So we have to do it again. F, R, U, R prime, F prime and again. Now it gets solved. Now we have to match this H piece and the center piece. Now blue to blue and nothing else is matching. Now we'll choose another red one. We'll go to red. Now we have matched it, but still only red is being matched. So we'll go to green. We'll match green. Yeah, if we match green, we'll get even orange. So by keeping green in our right side, we have to do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2 and R prime. And again we have to bring this red to red. Now all the H piece and the center piece have been matched. Now lastly we'll go to the corner. Now we have to find which corner is matching with the center cap. See, now green is not matching with no green is over in this corner piece. So we'll go to another corner piece. Here no red or blue so here are here in this corner piece. But here we have even blue and orange. We'll call this corner piece as twisted corner piece. Now we'll do this algorithm by keeping this orange to our front and do this r u prime l prime u r prime u prime and l, but still no corners are being matched, only this corner has been matched. Now we'll do it again. U R U prime R prime U R prime U prime then L. Now the corners have been matched, so now we have to do the last step, which is keep any color to your front, but not this color, not red or blue, because the corner pieces have already solved. We can keep only green or orange. So we'll keep orange to our front and solve this corner piece by using R prime, D prime, R and D, and again R prime, D prime, R and D. Okay. Now we can't move this corner, we can't go to this corner piece and do this formula again. We have to bring this corner piece to the near orange center cap. Then we have to do this formula again. R prime, D prime, R and D, 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 and the cube gets solved. If you like my channel, if you like my video, please subscribe and support my channel. Check the formulas in description box, and thank you.